Today we're going to be installing door visors on this Ram 1500 2026. And here's the final product, TonnoFlip door visors already installed on this Ram 1500 2026. Let's walk around to see the driver's side. As you can see here, flush fitment, blacked out. Now the truck can breathe. If it's raining, you can crack the windows down. And if it's very hot, your truck is gonna now be able to breathe. This is how they look once the installation is finished. Remember, if you like pickup trucks, this is gonna be your channel. Subscribe to TonnoFlip.